Hello, welcome to Neuff how-to videos. Today we're looking at how to choose your shot put from the different kinds available. First we're going to look at the different manufacturing and physical differences between the shots, and then we're going to have a look at which type of shot might be suited to which type of athlete. So here we have a range of different shots, starting with the cast, conquest, two examples of the classic, a steel turn shot, and a stainless steel turn shot. So the manufacturing differences. Starting at this end, we have the cast shot, which is a cannonball, basically. It is manufactured by pouring hot metal into a mould. This means that even despite the painted surface, it has a slightly rougher feeling than the turn shots because of the way that that casting process works. There's nothing right or wrong about the texture of a shot. It really is purely personal preference, what the individual athlete likes to have as a feeling. The manufacturing process for the cast shot does mean that this is a slightly more energy intensive process. So if environmental factors are a concern for you, this is probably not the shot to be going for because its environmental impact is greater than of the other shot on this table. The conquest shot is an entry-level turn shot. Turned means that there is a larger lump of metal which is positioned onto a lathe and then cut with a knife, effectively, to size. So this means that the surface is rather smoother than that of the cast shot. Again, the painted surface doesn't fully mask that difference. And that, again, it's just a matter of preference. It doesn't mean that it's a better or worse shot. It just means that the individual athlete might have a preference for a slightly smoother surface. Now, with the classic shot, these are also turn shot. But as you can see, there's quite a substantial difference in the size of the shot. So this is a 3 kilogram 97mm shot, and this is a 3 kilogram 108mm shot. And the reason why these shots can be turned to such different diameters is because the alloy that they are made from enables that size difference to be made, and the weight remains consistent, whereas the size of the shot can be larger or smaller. We'll come back to why that's important in a moment. Equally, then we have the steel turn shot. This is made of solid steel, so it's a really dense material, and as you can see, the size diameter of these, they do come in different diameters, but they do tend to be on the smaller side. Again, a lovely smooth texture to these items. And then finally we have the stainless steel shot. So stainless steel is a softer metal alloy, which means that if we're throwing these onto stony ground, they're much more likely to get dents and dings in them than some of their painted cousins. So this is a beautiful, smooth, very, very shiny item. Again, personal preference, some athletes like that, some wouldn't like it so much. And this, again, comes in different diameters. Now, which shot would be more appropriate for which kind of athlete? So, for the cast shot, these come in a range of really nice colours. You can see the colour range on the top shelf up here. These are exclusive to Neuff in partnership with Neuff. They are, as I said before, all turned to the same diameter, which means that every 3 kilogram shot will be the same size as this one, which is great for clubs, schools, tracks that want to have a bulk load of items which are going to be standard for all of their athletes and competitors to pick up and use. When we get to the turn shot, equally these are really good for groups, for clubs, schools, stadia. Again, they're standard dimensions, so that what you see is what you get. Really dependable item and really great for those athletes that prefer that turned finish. Again, these ones are also available in the range of colours that are exclusive to Neuff. When we get to the other turn shot, so the classic shot, these are for athletes who are wanting to buy their first personal implement, that they are specific about the diameter. Now, we've got another how-to video of how to choose the correct size implement for your hand. But very briefly here, if you have a shot which is too small for your hand, you will find that you're more likely to throw it rather than putting it with the correct pushing technique. So it's really important that you get the right hand size for the right shot size. So if you have a shot which is too big for your hand, you'll struggle to get a grip on it, and you may find that you slip when trying to put that item with the correct technique. The steel shot equally is great for the athlete that's got perhaps a smaller hand size. This is a really solid metal alloy and is a more robust metal if you're going to be throwing it onto really stony ground, and can cope with the smaller hand sizes that this item creates. And then finally, the stainless steel shot is suited better for high quality tracks where you're not going to be throwing onto stony ground, and is really good for athletes that like the ultra smooth feeling of the unpainted item. So you can see that the 3 kilogram 97mm shot is World Athletic certified, whereas the 3 kilogram 108mm classic shot is not. Now these are all manufactured, all the classic shots are manufactured to the same exacting methods. It's just that some of them have been put through the certification processes and some of them haven't. So you need to check on the website when you purchase if IAF certification or World Athletic certification is important to you. But all of the shot on this table are competition grade shot and can be used at any competition under the UKA rules. I hope you found this video useful. Please have a look at our other how-to videos for shot, including how to choose the right shot size for your hand size, and also how to care for rusty old shots to prolong their life. Enjoy your sport.